Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the ultimate oscillator. Alright, it is a custom indicator by Larry Williams. And the indicator is a momentum indicator. It tries to give traders insight into momentum, prevailing momentum in the market across different time frames. So if you want to make use of the indicator, because it's a custom indicator, you need to download it from an external site and then add it to your chart before you will be able to make use of it. All right, so I'm just going to be adding the indicator to my chart right away. So this is how the ultimate oscillator looks like. All right, like I said, it is a momentum oscillator. So how do you use this indicator to get precise buy and sell signals from the market? The first thing you have to do is to look at the position of the indicator with respect to the 70 level and the 30 level. Now it seems like the default settings for this indicator does not have a fixed value, right? The default settings does not have a fixed value, but I'm going to recommend adjusting the settings to have a fixed minimum of 0 and a fixed maximum of 100, right? So that you can see the oscillations properly within the zones, right? So whenever you have the ultimate oscillator get to the 70 level, right? Once it gets to the 70 level, it is showing you that we could possibly have a bearish reversal soon, right? Whenever the oscillator is trending upwards, it shows that there is bullish momentum. Okay, as we can see here, we had bullish momentum while the indicator was trending upwards. Then when it gets to the 70 level, it shows an overbought condition, meaning that a bearish reversal could be imminent. Okay, then in the case of a buy, right? Whenever you find the indicator get to the 70 level, it's a good time to enter a sell. Okay, but just make sure that you get your confirmations. For example, ensure that you either find price around a resistance zone or you find a bearish candlestick pattern before you go ahead and enter your sell trade. For example, at this point, we actually had the both criteria happen. The price got to resistance, and at the same time, you can see we had a bearish engulfing pattern around here. So that would have been a good time to enter a sell. Would have considered entering a sell trade around here, setting stop loss right above the resistance. And then for the take profit, we can consider using support zones, right? We can use support levels for our take profit, or we can decide to wait for the ultimate oscillator, can decide to wait for the ultimate oscillator to get towards the 30 level. Now, it's important that you note that it is not every time that the indicator will get to the extreme level. As you can see, sometimes the indicator did not get to the 70 level before it began reversing. Sometimes it didn't get to the 30 level before it began reversing. You can see here, 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 here. In fact, it seems as if most times you don't get to the extreme level before the reversal begins. So what you just have to watch out for is the indicator either getting to the level or getting close. All right, so long as that's getting close to that level, then you can go ahead. But if you want to make things easier for you, then you can just decide to You can decide to edit this to 60 and edit this to 20, right? The default, we are 30 and 70, as you can see, but you can decide to edit to 20, to 40 and to 60, right? You can decide to edit to 40 and to 60 so that you will be able to use the criteria of the indicator going beyond the level before you get your signal. Okay, don't know if you get the point. As we have changed it to 60 and 40, our sell signal can come only when the indicator must have crossed above the 60 level and start coming down, crossing back below the 60 level. Then that's when we have a sell signal. Then our buy signal must only be when the indicator has gone below the 40 level and then starts crossing up back above the 40 level. Then we have a buy signal. So you can either decide to use the default settings or you can modify it this way for easy identification. All right. So like I said, when you've got your sell signal, you can go ahead and enter a sell trade, set your stop loss above. Then for your resistance, for your take profit, you can use support levels, or you can wait for the indicator to enter the oversold territory and start crossing back upwards to get your exit signal. Then in the case of a buy, you have to wait for the indicator to get to oversold territory and start crossing upward. Then you have a buy signal. For example, we can see what happened here. We had a buy signal. So after entering a buy trade, after getting confirmations, of course, you can go ahead and set your stop loss below the previous swing low. And then if we had entered a buy here, we would have considered setting stop loss below the previous swing low. And then for a take profit, you can use resistance zones, or you can wait for the awesome oscillator to enter the overbought territory and start pointing downwards and exit your buy. So this would have been a good place to exit our buy trade, okay? Or you can use resistance zones to determine your exit. Also, you can consider using other indicators, all right? Other indicators can also serve as valid tools for confirming your exit. So your exit strategy depends on you, all right? Now, irrespective of the method you are using to exit your trades, and irrespective of the kind of trader you are, whether it's scalper or day trader or swing trader, ensure that you always employ proper risk management, okay? Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. Also, ensure that you use good risk to reward ratios. For example, if you're risking $10, the potential profit target should be about $20. That is a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. If you are risking $1, the potential profit target should be $2, right? 1:2. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.